When King Shaka was killed in 1828, that was the end of the Zulu nation.
That was the end
of the Zulu nation. Yes.
No, you have to stop there and explain what you mean.
If you kill someone who was given the vision, and you do not sit down to study or to get a mentorship from them, definitely it's not going to survive. It's more like you run a business and your wife is not involved, your kids are not involved. You don't show them how do you do it. We'll end up saying we would well. If you
the
die,
death of King Shaka was the end of the Zulu.
So the death of King Shaka was the end of the Zulu nation because King Dingane never had time to sit with Ushaka and observe how he does things. Umkabayi never had time to mentor about Dingane. Before we kill Ushaka, who is going to take over? All of them, Mhlangana and I was hoping Dingane had to kill all of them after killing Ushaka. And now, this happens when after 1807, English came and King Shaka was the least of their problems around 1816. But later, after the failure of Cape of Good Hope, Jan van Riebeeck, bafika Piet Retief nabanye bezobona uDingane, they came and asking for land as settlers where they can settle because amangisi ayisengenisile nge-Cape Colony. So uShaka uDingane uthi hey ngicela niyongilandela inkomo zami kuSikonyela. uSikonyela offer bathloga. They were Zulus were scared of uSikonyela because of his mother uMantatisa. And then bahamba boy. So I mean I'm saying the death or the deteriorating of the Zulu kingdom began there because 1856 the British were fighting on the side of Umbuyazo, fighting with uCetshwayo. So uShembe comes in 1910 to say, Zulus, put down the spears, carry your shield and your stick and dance now for your creator. Learn new ways of communicating with nature, communicating with what you call God. So when Umkhokha started trying to illustrate that story of a man who has a family but who is running a church that is rooted on their cultures. Some of the things Ushembe used to do, I don't see it happening ngoShembe bamanje. Wayengena emzini womuntu uShembe ushoniwe, angena afika phephethe impukane avuka umuntu because
This is another story like Leah Shaka speaking to the snake.
Yeah.
Isaiah Shembe would walk into people's homes.
Yeah, walking. Even if it's raining,
raise people from the dead.
Even if it's raining like this, where he was walking with his people that like abafundi bakhe, he would pray, not even pray, akhulume athi baba awushonga ukuthi senze kanje umfula bawuwele izulini. There is evidence even where there are lokhuzana, what you call it, the buildings where they build these houses for Ushembe, wherever he healed some people. Ushembe, why remember Yamawesale? He used to raise the dead, he used to heal the sick, and then people who went to do theology, they were having problems with that. So he was radical. He was political at the same time. And then he wanted to start his thing because he was really visited by the spirit. He lost about 3 kids. First, because the word spoke to him and said, start this, you need to free the Zulu nation. He didn't. You'll remember Umzazela, I think it's his father, Umzazela Kamayigisa, yes, Kasokhabzela Kanyatikazi. From Waqeza, I think Wanongoma, he was told to live there because King Shaka was not yet born. He was told that he's going to have a son like with Isaiah Shem. This is why he ran to Umtshezi. From Umtshezi, Ntabankulu to Intabazi Harry Smith, where he I think he was 5 years when he got there. And then he started to get sick. They say the third child, he held the child until he was smelly. and the white man who owned a farm that he was working for, Ushembe, he begged him, let the child be buried, and he started to follow his calling. But come a time where he wanted to build a church, the apartheid government said no. This is why even today abantu bakwaShembe basontela ngaphansi kweyihlahla, because wathi uShembe, bantu abami ngoba bafuni sicela nibeka amatshe nje la bese siwafakwa umcako abemhlophe so ukuthi bangachamela abantu babone ukuthi khona abasontela khona, not ukuthi ibandla lakwaShembe kumele kusontelwe ngaphansi kweyihlahla. And uShembe akakaze azama ukundiza. uShembe was poisoned, if you follow the history, because they say there were two white people who came, and uShembe, because he was a stronger prophet, he told his leadership, there are people who are coming here to meet me, please do not leave me alone with them. But then there was such abantu abamhlophe ke bona ukuthi it's a very important thing bam inject. But we don't talk about that, but it's easy to believe in a risen body. It's easy to
walking on water
and
turning water to wine,
and we never even discuss our metaphors and what is the concept of a risen body. It's being stabbed like that. You know, but because Batu Joseph of Arbethia, just to deviate, said when Jesus was on the cross, I give him to me because he owned a cemetery. I'm going to help him. But the problem, all the people who were crucified were left unattended on the cross so that the vultures can come and eat them. But he was not left there. The question is it true that he died at the age of 65 after walking to India, studying Buddhism, Hindu, Amakha?
Who are you talking about now?
Yeah, Jesus.
uDr Musa Zulu ubuye ngezinkani uphethe amandla okugcina kuvume nenkosazane yasolwandle. Ikhona imbizo yomhlabelo. Lembiza isiza uma unomthungo ongapheli, izilonda, unyele ethambeni noma uphukile, isiza nomzimba obuhlungu noma uzizwa engathi udonseka imsipha noma unenkwantshu noma engabe ulimele kakhulu phuthuma uthola imbiza yethu umhlabelo ukuze uphile. Ikhona imbiza yamathambo uma unesifo samathambo noma uwezwa ebuhlungu noma uhlushwa amadolo noma izinyawo ezibhlungu, thola lembiza. Noma uzwa umzimba uqaqamba ungakuvumeli ukuthi uze ube inkubela ugcine usuhamba uxhuga, usuzwa neqolo elibhlungu nengqondo isiphuza ukucabanga, ikhona imbiza yamathambo edila nawo ngqo kwaMazi Herbal Products. Ikhona imbiza kashukela. Bakwethu ushukela uyabulala. Isifo lesi esiyingozi kwabaningi sivame ukucasha sithi sitholakala sekulate, sekumbula kwembeswa. Siyacela zingane zakwethu niye kodokotela basentshonalanga niyosheka ukuthi ushukela egazini usukulevel bani. Kulabo asebezazi ukuthi baphethwe isifo sikashukela, vakashela ezitolo zakwaMazi Herbal Products nizitholele imbiza kashukela ukuze ushukela wakho ube kulevel efanele. Singavumi ukugula empilweni. Sinazo nezinye izimbiza, imbiza yama-fibros eqondene nabesimame abahlushwa izigaxa ezimila esibelethweni ezivimba ukuthi bengabathola abantwana. Ikhona nembiza ye-stress, ukhwantalala, esinye isifo lesi esibulela buthule ngenxa yokuthi umzimba wakho usuke ungasakhona ukubhekana nengcindezi. I-stress bakwethu siholela ekutheni uphathwe i-stroke, wehle emzimbeni, uphelelwe amandla. Phuthuma uye ekhaya lempilo lika-Dr Musa Zulu kwaMazi Herbal Products uthole impilo. Akhona namanye ama-products ahamba ngokushesha. Idliso locansi zamlandela, induku yempi, isiwasho samathunzi, zithonga bath salt, isibhamu bath salt, namanye amafutha okudonsa umphumeleli oil. Kukhona adonsa kahle, kukhona adonsa ngamandla. Imikhiqizo yethu iyatholakala kuzo zonke izitolo zase-Beauty Zone nasezitolo zakwaMazi Herbal Products kanye nasemakhemese aseduze nawe.